with this activity. First of all, let's examine the places where there are any deterioration or any cracks are there over the trench walls, slab, or the roof. For example, this is the place where we can find some of the cracks on the wall. These are maybe a superficial cracks, but in visual inspection, obviously, we are looking for all those cracks which are visible on the surfaces. Later on, we will do the detailed analysis through different apparatuses, and we'll inspect what's the nature of these cracks. Either they are superficial or they are deeply penetrated into the wall or the slab. One more aspect of this inspection is the architectural or the finishing deteriorations of the existing trench. Here you can see that the paint surface has completely peeled off. There must be a reason behind it. One of the most important reasons behind this is the use of putty, lime, in order to make the surface as a substrate of the wall, and later on the paint has been applied over it. The major cause of this thing is that whenever the moisture enters into the wall, what happens, it reacts with the putty or the lime, and later on it soils and the paint surface peels off. This is what has happened over here. This is also one more example of the same situation. This white color is the directive or indicative of the use of lime as the substrate. Secondly, as I was suggesting, that the moisture has penetrated to the wall. This is the live example of how the moisture has penetrated into the wall. There is a conductor over there, and when there is a water level at this location, the water might have seeped into the wall, and which affected the paint surface and it cracked. Our next target is the MS structure. Here you can see there are access rungs in order to access through the manhole. These access rungs are made of MS, mild steel. One important factor which one needs to account while dealing with the mild steel in the substructures is that they all needs to be galvanized and coated with the protective coatings available in the market. But unfortunately, obviously, there is some lacking behind this thing. That's why it has corroded. So in order to protect it once, first of all we need to grind it, and later on we should apply the zinc rich coatings over it in order to make it protect against the harmful effect of environment.